My favorite.
My favorite. My favorite. My favorite.
My favorite.
My favorite.
My favorite memory from this year was.
Memory from this year was
Football and basketball games.
Lunchtime, eating lunch with my friends.
It's not my time to wonder why everything gone white and everything's gray. Now you're here, now you're away. I don't want this. Remember that I'll never forget where you're at. Don't let the days go by. Glycerine. I'm never alone, I'm alone all the time. Are you at one, or do you lie? We live in a wheel where everyone steals, but when we rise it's like strawberry fields. I treated you bad, you bruised my face. Couldn't love you more, you've got a beautiful taste. Don't let the days go by. Could have been easier on you. I couldn't change, though I wanted to. Should have been easier, the three, our old friend Phil and you and me. Glycerine.
My favorite memory from this year was the homecoming pageant. My favorite memory from this year was going to all the dances.
I have often dreamed of a far-off place where a hero's welcome would be waiting for me, where the crowds will cheer when they see my face, and a voice keeps saying, "This is where I'm meant to be. I'll be there someday. I can go the distance. I will find my way. If I can be strong, I know every mile will be."
Well, my favorite thing this year was the Timpanogos football game.
Our football team beat Timpanogos at their homecoming game.
All the football games.
The football games, but especially the one that we played against Timpanogos.
Collecting dust, and I don't want you to feel sorry for me. You never gave us a chance to be, and I don't need you to be by my side. Tell me that everything's alright. Just wanted you to tell me the truth. You know I do that for you. So why are you running away? Why are you running away? 'Cause I did enough to show you that I was willing to give and sacrifice. And I was the one who was lifting you up when you thought your life had had enough. And when I get close, you turn away. There's nothing that I can do or say. So now I need you to tell me the truth. You know I do that for you. So why are you running away?
My favorite thing from this year is the Mr. Viking pageant.
My favorite memory from this year was the Mr. Viking pageant.
Taking part in the Mr. Viking pageant, it really brought out a new side of me. I could say maybe a Vegas show type side.
La, la, low rider is a little higher.
My favorite memory this year is the Crisco slide from the Spirit Bowl. Lauren Frankum and Mrs. Ricks mud wrestled, and Lauren slammed her down, and then when Mr. Sanderson's face was in the mud. In the Spirit Bowl, when Mallory and Bubba had to grab worms from each other's mouths.
Ripping my shirt off in front of the entire school.
Spirit Bowl, when Nate and Verdon and Logan painted themselves entirely blue and white. That was just awesome.
She knows he's gonna go. Well, it ain't no woman, flesh and blood, it's that no road he go. Oh, well, it's balls and blood, it's a dust and mud, it's the roar of a Sunday crowd. It's the white in his knuckles, the gold in the buckle, he'll win the next go round. It's boots and chaps, it's cowboy hats, it's spurs and let it go. It's the ropes and the reins and the joy and the pain, and they call the thing a roadie go. She does her best to hold him when his love comes to call.
One of my favorite memories this year was the angel tree, being able to see the kids' faces when we gave them their presents.
I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where those streets are.
It's all around me and I just don't understand. It seems all out of place now. And I know it's late, but you know what they say now. We're under attack now, our work is all cut out. Whatever happened to your rights? And I know it's late, but you know what they say now. What they say.
My favorite memory from this year was being on the ballroom team.
My favorite memory of this year was being able to dance ballroom on the team.
Okay, well, My favorite memory of the whole year, 2003/2004, would probably be I was second period. I remember I was sitting in Miss Guyman's class, and she just wrote this beautiful test, and I brought my pencil, and I brought my brain, and I went to work, and I finished the test about 3 hours later, and it's the best test I've ever taken. It was wonderful, and that'll probably go down in history as my favorite memory. Thank you.
My favorite memory from this year was all the kind people, all the wonderful teachers, and I learned just so much. I'm just grateful for this wonderful school.
My favorite memory from this year was the motivational things coming over the air on the intercoms in the mornings. See you at the top.
They really did well. Coach McAllister's taking him to the next level.
He's taking him to the top.
I hope I'm there to see. I'll see the boys basketball team in the winner's circle. Or not. The choice is theirs. Or not. They make the decisions.
Or not.
Or not. We'll see you at the top.
My favorite memory from this year was filming all the basketball games.
My favorite memory of this year was probably announcing basketball with my good friend Jordan Haney on KPGR.
The Lone Peak game.
When we qualified for state.
All the basketball and football games with all of my friends.
Football and basketball games.
Back to Bilbro and put it down, count it.
Holman puts on a little move.
No, he'll give it down low to Vaughn. So give it to Jepson from the corner. Holman with the putback. Open for the shot. Orange, 50-footer, swish. Nolan Clemens, take it up strong. Gilquist drives the lane and scores it. Holman in the corner for three. Boom shakalaka! Listen! Dream on, dream on, dream on, dream yourself a dream come true. Must be your skin, I'm sinking in. Must be for real, 'cause now I can feel. I didn't mind, it's not my kind, it's not my time to wonder why everything gone white and everything's gray. Now let's go seniors! Let's go seniors! I don't want this, remember that. I'll never forget where you're at. Don't let the days go by. Glycerine, glycerine. I'm never alone, I'm alone all the time. Are you at one, or do you lie? We live in a wheel where everyone steals. When we rise, it's like strawberry fields. I treated you bad, you bruised my face.